Touch mo to pala. Dito ko eh.
Natalaga si Mama Gaga. Ay, ayun o. Tarik ako. Kasi natako doon. Ayan,
Hello guys. Ang sakit nun. Hello guys. This is the new gun. It's machine gun. This is my crisis action. Buy my account for 200. 200 and I have my red demo, a devil, and this is my second sister. There, I'm gorgeous. I'm gonna invite some friends. Oh. She is the one. He is the one opening. There we go. We're gonna 1v1. I'm gonna wait if somebody gonna join. And I'm gonna try to... There we go. I see my sister. There we go. I killed him. There you go. I need to kill another one. Woo! Namatay pa ako. There we go. This is the AWP. I love this AWP. It's for one day. And
pumunta sila, ma'am? 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 Hindi nga. Si Kim hindi.
and there is
Ang nagyaya sa akin, tapos Kasama niya sa akin.
there is the VIP. I don't find my sister. I'm gonna find my sister. Okay, he is in the base of mine. No one joining to my group. And I'm gonna kill his friend. Game. Patay agad ako. Okay, just one. Oh, it's a VIP. She have a Tommy gun. I'm gonna kill that headshot. I'm gonna headshot another one. He is not looking. I'm looking to my tita's cell phone. There we go. We're gonna wait until the match is done. I'm gonna get that gun. Okay. Okay. Very good. The VIP, it's good. Gonna get the gun. Binayaran ni Kuya Brian. Huwag mo bayaran. Huwag mo bayaran, Kuya Brian. Yun, tatlo na kayo. Papatay ko yun sa... May... Bakit may in-accept? Ayun, di ako natanggal. Ay, oh. Oh. I'm recording today. I'm recording today. Si Kuya Bre, binabayaran. Ba naman, kinuha pa yung baril ko. Ano pa di kantahan po na? Kuya Brel, kick mo yun.
Ready?
Natong lahat. Ay, hayaan mo yung sisita kayo doon. Sardinas. Talagang sa pure. Yung ginagawa nila. Ako, kung nagpasa ng video, sabihin sa akin, sana ka dito. Dapat mag-go-out ka. Parang ang trabaho mo dati, parang trabaho ng pati ko. Napasok ka ng pati ko. Pero parang kilala mo lang ang pati ko. Kasi kung sasabihan ako, hindi mo pa nahawakan yung idol mo, mag-browse ka na.
Rito. Dorito. Okay. I'm killing every movement. They gonna finish before us. Okay. Someone killed me. Someone killed his team. That is good snipe. He is a good sniper. That VIP. Like me, I'm a good sniper. Wait, wait, overload.
Oh, sumatalon.
Pero lahat ng naging kasama si Master. Master na dito ang hawak. Correct. Pero Master pa. Kasi pagdating sa trabaho, lalo pagkasama ng sa ulo. Ako na nagkaroon ng ulo. Natama na lang sa mga tao.
Wait lang. Stop ko lang.